brow check. Lego. Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before we get started. Yeah, I'm back using this Ebin palette. I just got inspired from my last look that I just decided to do another one. This look will be really glam, really soft, but just really popping. Inspiration from this palette is just amazing. So without further ado, let's get slaying.
So right now I am basically prepping my eyes using the Proconceal in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm just patting it in, making sure everything is nice and smooth. So starting out with this shade, I initially used this brush starting out, but then I ended up changing it to the Wet n Wild, the more fluffy eyeshadow brush, because this brush didn't give me that that blend that I wanted. It was giving me like a little patchiness. So you will see that I ended up changing the brush within this tutorial. But yeah, starting out with this shade, I'm just getting a nice little blend. See right here, I changed the brush. I just needed a nice little blend so we could start out. This is the transition color. So then moving on, you want to start out doing light to dark. It always give you that dimension that you're looking for whenever you're cutting creases, halos, and things like that. You want to have dimension in your crease, the cut. So start out with that dark shade, then I blend it back out using that same brush with no added product, ensuring that everything is as one. Moving on to another darker shade, using a different brush, of course. Like I said, I always use different brushes when doing eyeshadow. And then I went back in with that same first brush. You will see this brush a lot when I need to blend back out that color, making sure that everything is smooth. I always use that one brush to blend out everything. And then I'm darkening it even deeper using a brown shade. The brown shade I freaking love because it just gives me that dimension that I was looking for. And then of course going back in with that Wet n Wild brush, blending everything out. So during this tutorial, I will be going back and forth using those brushes, just making sure that it's dark, blend, back and forth. So cutting the halo, I used the shade Cool Tan and from Proconceal. And you can make this as dark as you want. I felt that it was dark enough for me, and the dimension of it was perfect. So I just stopped blending. But of course you can go as dark as you want. Me, I just like it to be soft. I like to blend my colors out. I don't like it to be too harsh. So blending out those edges of that halo, I am taking that brown shade. Well, first I patted it in. I patted everything in. I didn't blend anything out. I don't have anything on that brush. I'm basically just patting everything just to make it seamless. Then going back in with that concealer, just ensuring that I didn't lose any of that concealer when patting out. And then of course, you know, you want to blend out those edges because you want everything to be seamless. Then I took a smaller brush using that brown shade because that's the corners of that of that halo. And you just want everything to look good. You want everything to look bomb. So right here is that bronzy shade, and guys, oh my God, look at that. I fell in love with this shade. It's Octavia. I know you guys seen my first swatch review video. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to check that video out. I'll link that above. And oh my God, I had a dream about this color and woke up and was like, yes, sis, we doing it, period. And look at it. I knew it. I just knew it was just going to look so bold and good. And as I was doing it, I noticed that it was kind of like a little off. So I went back in with that concealer just to make it nice and sharp. And then, of course, going back in, filling it back in. Make mistakes during the way. It teaches you so much. And me, I'm still learning. So don't think I'm a pro. Far from it. But I like to keep my mistakes in here because I just want you guys to know that I still learn too. But yeah, going back in with that brown shade once more to blend out those edges. You want to always blend out the edges. Never leave harsh edges. You want everything to look like it was just seamless, effortlessly done, and you just did that. So yeah, we're done.
Okay, so now while I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry, I'm gonna take, this is Milani, this is the Prep and Brighten Rose Oil. It's my first time using this, and I'm just basically going to put a dot on my face, rub it in. It says on the bottle that, well, actually not the bottle, but the packaging, that you only need a little, because a little goes a long way. And honestly, I feel like that's how I feel with oil in general. You don't need a lot because you don't want to put too much. And it smells just like the rose hip oil I have. I use rose hip oil for my face, if anybody's wondering what type of oils that I use. I use tea tree, vitamin E oil and rose hip oil for my face. But yeah, it smells so good and it feels so refreshing and light. It's supposed to brighten up your face. I don't see any difference. Maybe once I put my makeup on, then I'll probably see a difference. Let's put these lashes on and let's finish. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I've already prepped my face using the full spectrum. This is the by CoverGirl. This is the Matte Ambition collection. If you haven't seen my last tutorial on my foundation review, then the link will be above. I'm using the same two combo. I already mixed it on my hand. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my face. How this oil is making my skin look really dewy, because I do have dry skin, especially in the wintertime. It's bad. It's like, oh my god. just line my lips using the Ruby Kiss. This is the Perfect Precision liner in the shade dark brown, and it actually has a smudger at the bottom right here, so you can like flip it over. That's what they call Ruby Kiss because their lip products are bomb. The NYX, this is the Lippy. This is a soft lip cream in the shade Cairo. I'm gonna put that right in the center. Got this from Forever 21 a very long time ago, and honestly, please don't try to ask the name of it because look at it. Nothing, not a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. And I always used to say that makeup is an art, beauty is a spirit. Go out, be great, have a good day. And I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Bye.